निदिध्यासो आत्माया हृदयं निरभिद्यता ततो मनश्चंद्र इति संकल्प काम एव च. When there was a desire to think about the activities of his own energy, then the heart, the seat of the mind, the moon, determination, and all desire became manifested. Shidramai. So here the discussion is of Vishwarupa, and when the Vishwarupa desires to think, then the mind becomes manifested. The moon, every time we see in creation, three things become manifested. Adhyatma, Adi Bhautika, Adi Devika. You want to hear, sound become manifested, ear become manifested, and the controlling deity of the ear become manifested. One is called Adhyatma. What is Adhyatma? Adi Bhautika, Adi Devika. So Adhyatma refers to the person, we. Adi Bhautika refers to the instrument which is used for that, like ear for hearing. And Adi Devika, the deity controlling the hearing. You understand? For seeing, there is the deity controlling light. That is Adi Devika. That the ear, Adi Bhautika, and Adhyatma we. So Adi Devika and Adhyatma, the connection is controller and control. We are controlled, Devata is controlling us. Adhyatma, Adi Devika. Adi Bhautika is the instrument by which he is controlling. Like your eyes, somebody is controlling. Your nose, all the organs in the body are controlled by a particular Devata. Now it's coming about mind. The similar is also mind. The Lord desire to think. The mind instrument become manifested. And the Devata controlling the mind, the moon. Interesting. Man और मन का कंट्रोलिंग deity है चंद्रमा. Voilà. Now I was just thinking, this is more of why we need to hear the description, because we are going to become Krishna conscious not overnight, gradually. We have to understand all the gross manifestation that we are in today is given by the Lord. Whatever we see in this world is given by the Lord. So that way, just like in Bhagavad Gita, Prabhupada says very nicely, Raso Mopsu Kaunseya, like that when the discussion comes, I am the taste of water, I am the light of the sun and the moon. What is the shloka? Raso Mopsu Kaunseya. Prabhasmi Sashi Suryaha. Take it? I am the light of the sun and the moon. Then these two lines are very famous. So Krishna says, the Prabhupada says, here just meditating on this, there is great deal of spiritual advancement. Don't think I will only hear Krishna, I will not hear all this. No. Then you become a sahaja, you make it cheap. You're not ready now. So we have to understand, it's important step to understand that actually when you look at the sun, it's a creation of Krishna. We see its connection to Krishna. Correct? You remember Krishna in that way. We see the moon, remember Krishna. You drink water. Prabhupada says again and again, कौन पानी नहीं पीता? सभी पानी पीते हैं. पानी पीते समय भगवान को याद. Oh, ये जो इसका taste है, that is Krishna. So that way, every moment we can remember Krishna. इस तरह हर क्षण भगवान को याद कर सकते. Correct? पेड़ देखा, भगवान को याद किया. भगवान का सृष्टि है ना? तो इस तरह आप actually you can always remember God. And that there is a great deal of advancement in that way. ऐसा नहीं इससे कोई एडवांसमेंट नहीं है. एडवांसमेंट होगा जब हम खाली कृष्णा कीर्तन करेंगे. होगा जो डेफिनेटली कृष्णा कीर्तन सबसे पावरफुल है, लेकिन फिर पूरा दिन 24 घंटे मन भी तो है ना, हर चीज का भगवान से रिश्ता देखते रहने का. सावरा जंगमान देखे देखे तारा मूर्ति सर्वतो है विष्टदो एव स्फूर्ति. फेमस श्लोक है ना, जो भी दिखता है उसको उसमें भगवान याद आता है. तो दैट वे देयर इज ग्रेट डील ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल एडवांसमेंट. Prabhupada says that is the perfection of thinking, feeling and willing. Even inside every atom, Krishna is there. Somebody asked Prabhupada, can you hear my prayers? Prabhupada said, see, Krishna is there even inside every atom. If yes, all depends on your sincerity. When Krishna becomes aware, then other people can also become aware. Even devatas are not independent. You pray to them, they cannot know it. You pray, Krishna knows, therefore they know. So this mind is actually an instrument. When we are thinking, just like sometimes somebody joked, we say there is no God, but then you're speaking from a mouth, you're using a brain and using your mind to give this conclusion. Where that has come? जिस मुंह से बोल रहे हो there is no God, you can't even explain how this mouth has come, and you are using that mouth to defy God. Okay, so perfection of our thinking comes in a way that we understand. क्या समझ जाते हैं हम लोग? We understand that whatever we see, now there is a discussion of mind, and the Bhagavatam says this also another creation of Krishna. Not only Krishna created mind, the place for the mind to stay, the seat of the mind. Here. बोलते हैं ना, मैं बोल रहा हूँ. So mind, soul. Mind is a subtle body covering the soul. And then the controlling deity of the mind, the moon. All are created by the Lord. So here also, by understanding this, discussing this, first we have to, because we are materialist. Bhagavatam has everything. Prabhupada says it has everything for even materialist also, spiritualist also. Spiritualist will be more interested, just like after this discussion, all the sages say to Suta Goswami, अरे ये बताओ ये विदुर का क्या हो रहा था discussion? Because they want to hear higher message, but at the same time they're patiently hearing this because they know it will purify me. First, second canto, there is so much discussion about the creation. Why I should hear all this? No, suno, bahut zaruri hai. Because I am so conditioned, it is very important. When doctor gives medicine, हमको calculate नहीं करना चाहिए, मेरे लिए अच्छा है नहीं अच्छा है, तुम खाओ, इसका क्या फायदा है? No. You cannot understand. So acharyas understand. Bhavaushadi Shrota Mano Abhinama Kautama Shloka Gunanuvanan Vina Virajed Puna Vina Pashukna. So this acts like an aushadi. This is a medicine. We take the medicine. So we are materialists now. Abhi hum spiritualists bane nahi hai. So in the bhautik way, we have to understand. True, great devotees like Arjuna when he out of curiosity asked Krishna to show the Vishwarupa and also to set a standard what is God. At the same time when he saw Vishwarupa, he wanted to see the sweet form of Krishna. So the advanced devotees, for them to hear about Vishwarupa, the power display of the Lord, you tell Mother Yashoda, पता है कितना कृष्णा पावरफुल है, हाँ ये हिला देता है, वो कर देता है. She is relating to him in spiritual bhava, sakya rasa. Vatsala rasa. Arjuna relation was sakya rasa. So when it became adbhuta, wonder, little they were disturbed. Krishna, please enough. I want to come back to my natural situation because it gives him great pleasure. So pure devotees, it's different. There is a direct relationship to the Lord. And they are not so keen. But for us, it is extremely important. This medicine is extremely important to understand the glories of the Lord even in His creation. Prabhupada says Krishna, this Leela. We are only interested to hear Ras Leela of Krishna. But this Leela of Krishna, of the Purusha, is also important. How the Purusha avatars are creating. It's very important to hear. Neither the Shukadeva Goswami, neither Parikshit Maharaj hurried it. Parikshit Maharaj did not say, चलो भाई क्या कर रहे हो शुकमणि, क्या बता रहे हो विश्वरूप, चलो 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 जल्दी चलो, 7 दिन बचे बस. पेशेंटली सुन रहे थे, है ना. और शुकमुनि भी नहीं बोले चलो या भगते हैं, नहीं. They were both not in a hurry. So we should also not be in a hurry. Actually, it is said, until we are free from sex desire. Prabhupada said, read first 2 cantos. In one place, Prabhupada said. कह रहे भगवान का दर्शन भी देखते बोला चरण के ऊपर नहीं जाना, अभी तुम रेडी नहीं हो. So anyway, the point is that we should have qualification. So to understand, and first 2 cantos are showing the glories of the Lord in creation, how the Lord creates. That is important for us to hear, because we are now fixed on matter. Our mind is not fixed on spirit. So therefore, Vishwarupa discussion is needed for us to understand how the Lord is very glorious, because only in this way we see. We see only in this way. Actually, Krishna is nirvishesha, in the sense there is no material qualities in Krishna. Then why discuss all these material qualities? Krishna created so powerful because it is needed for us. अभी हम उस स्थिति में नहीं है कि हम we can directly go to the spiritual platform. Then something on the mind. Today I was reading in the Bhagavad Gita. There is a shloka in the 18th chapter, 16th chapter. Kama ashritya. Kamam ashritya. Anybody knows the shloka of the? It's a very nice shloka of the 16th chapter. (16:10). कामम आश्रित्य दुष्पूरम दम्भमान मदान्वितः मोहद गृहित वसत ग्राहन प्रवर्तन्ते अशुचि व्रतः. The demonic, taking shelter of insatiable lust, pride and false prestige, and being the delusion, are always sworn to unclean work attached by the impermanent. So taking shelter of, that's a difference. That is why we need to hear the glories of the Lord in matter before we come to know His glories in spiritual world. He is not now, there is no discussion of Krishna's pastimes and Goloka now. Something else is going on, but it is important because we have to be pulled out from the shelter of lust that we have taken. Kama ashritya. The mind, just like जमीन में बीज डालते हैं, तो उसको किसी से आप क्या डाल रहे हो, पानी डाल रहे हो तो एक तरह से बढ़ेगा, करेक्ट. और उसका फिर क्या होता है, रूट्स बढ़ता रहता है और फर्मली वो सेट हो जाता है, फिर उसको निकालना आसान नहीं होता. तो जो महान भक्त होता है वो कृष्ण प्रेम डालता है अपने दिल में. और कृष्ण प्रेम का क्या सोर्स है, वो उसका प्रॉपर सेज कीप पोरिंग इन. पोरिंग इन मतलब ब्रह्मांड भ्रमित कोनमान भाग्यवान जीव गुरु कृष्ण प्रसादे पाए भक्ति लता बीज. जो भक्ति लता बीज है उस पर आप पानी डाल रहे हो, ठीक है ना. श्रवणम कीर्तन स्मरणम, इसका आप पानी डाल रहे हो और धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है और उसका रूट्स भी बढ़ रहा है एंड सॉलिड फाउंडेशन बन जाता है, आदमी हिला नहीं सकते. एज ही ग्रोज इन कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस you cannot shake. Therefore Prabhupada says Bhagavad Kanishta can fall down, आराम से गिर सकता है. Fall down means from prema ashritya he will come to kama ashritya. And then madhyamadhikari will not fall down because now इसका firm हो गया, roots established हो गया. उत्तमाधिकारी cannot fall down, कोई question नहीं है उसका. The 9th chapter Prabhupada says. But, so therefore we should develop firmly in Krishna consciousness. Prema ashritya, kama ashritya. The whole, if you type in the Prabhupada books, taking shelter of Krishna, you will get thousands of shlokas. That is the whole Bhagavad Gita. And Krishna is also saying in the Bhagavad Gita at the end, what is that? Sarvadharman parityajya mam ekam sharam vraja. Take my shelter. There is a song also where it says, how long? Jiva jago, Gaura Chanda bole. Get up. And what is the next line? Koto? How long you will take shelter of this wicked witch of lust? We have taken shelter of illusion now. Love and lust look same. That's a problem. Arjuna also in the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita took shelter of lust. What is mera bhai ka, mera family ka? This is lust. Lust means personal enjoyment. What is the definition of love and lust? प्रीति वांचे. हाँ, क्या प्रभु जी आप? हाँ, श्लोक बताओ. हाँ, हाँ. तो जब आप अपने बारे में कुछ सुख करने, अपना सुख के बारे में सोचते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं काम. जब कृष्ण के सुख के बारे में सोचते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं प्रेम. ठीक है. अब आपके ऊपर है किस पे आप आश्रित हो. ये जो मन है हमारा, इट कैन ड्रिंक. ये खा रहा है, इसको जैसे शरीर खाता है, मन भी खा रहा है. कहाँ ये इल्यूजन का जब शेल्टर लेता है, तो ये मूर्ख काम को प्रेम समझ के खाना शुरू कर देता है. आप समझ रहे हो? मूर्ख तक से. और जब इट टेक शेल्टर ऑफ कृष्णा, इट ड्रिंक्स कृष्ण प्रेमा. सो ड्रिंक कृष्ण प्रेमा, देयर आर नवविध भक्ति. अगर आपको अपना सोल को डेवलप करना है, तो ऑलवेज, एंड नवविध भक्ति इज हेडेड बाय श्रवणम. तो आपका श्रवणम इज वेयर, कहाँ आप क्या सुनना चाह रहे हो, वेयर यू आर ड्रिंकिंग. बट वेन वी गेट इन टू इल्यूजन, हम इल्यूजन में फंस जाते हैं, देन वी ड्रिंक काम. And whole material atmosphere is only calm. Just like Arjuna, also calm, ashritya. In one sense, I can say he's a great devotee, but an example what is coming by the arrangement of the Lord. We cannot analyze Arjuna. Yeah, Uttamadhikari hai. But arrangement, what Krishna showed, he was, मेरा family का क्या होगा? ठीक है? So he is taking an example of a common man in society who is like us, काम आश्रित्य. अपने बारे में सोचना है ना. स्वजना, he uses the word स्वजना. The Prabhupada says in the lecture, यही सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है अपना. मेरा आदमी, स्वजना होता है ना, मेरे आदमी. So if we become absorbed in thinking like that, that will lead to problem. But we start therefore we have to nurture, and we have to easily identify. Kama ashritya can be in different ways. Actually, society mein totally kama ashritya. Everybody is taken shelter of sense gratification. Therefore, there is a Bhagavatam, there is a discussion of crow and Hamsa. And Prabhupada says crow means he is interested, Hamsa means crystal clear lake. He is interested in Krishna Prem. He does not drink anything else. And crow is interested in dustbin. वहीं आता है. आपका हमसा आता है कभी डस्टबिन के पास नहीं, उसका अलग नेचर है. तो अभी हमारा नेचर एक्चुअली Prabhupada says Krishna conscious so powerful, इतना पावरफुल है. He says very affectionately, those which are crows are now swimming like Hamsa. कह रहा है उन्होंने चेंज किया नहीं किया. कौवे थे सब, कौवों को उन्होंने हंस बना दिया. तो हम भी अभी कौवे हैं, लेकिन हंस बनना चाह रहे हैं, लेकिन हंस बन सकते हैं if we take shelter of Krishna consciousness. So we should have to catch our mind every moment where it is going back. Just like program is over, everything is over, किधर अपना मन बैठता है, काम आश्रित है, प्रेम आश्रित है. ठीक है. So we should see. Prabhupada said keep pouring in, keep pouring in. Any activity you do, what is it connected to? So the vibration coming in the material world, all the people are speaking so many things. Asatsanga tyaga. Why asatsanga tyaga? Because kama ashritya. वो लोग काम का शेल्टर लिए, उनको नहीं सुनो। आप भी संग से संगात संजायते, आप भी पकड़े जाओगे, आपका भी दिल उससे भर जाएगा फिर। सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल, एक्सट्रीमली केयरफुल इन दिस वर्ल्ड, बिकॉज देयर इज अ एपिडेमिक इन दिस वर्ल्ड. यहाँ लोग मूर्ख हैं. दे हैव टेकन to an illusion and they have taken shelter of karma and therefore they are dragged by waves, ripples. जैसे हमारा nectar of devotion, रूप गोस्वामी talks about भक्ति रसामृत सिंधु, और उन लोगों का है काम रसामृत सिंधु. दे आर इन काम के रस में बह रहे हैं वो लोग, और more ripples, waves, and they are whipped by illusion again and again, and there is no way to come out for them. So therefore we should be very extremely careful that we soak our heart, our mind in, and the mind becomes so pleased when we are giving it Krishna consciousness. That's a mystery. The whole world wants to control mind by giving more and more of sense gratification, and therefore Prabhupada says, the Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter, the more you withdraw mind for sense gratification, more the mind will become happy. Correct? What is the nature of the mind? Give me sense gratification and thereby I will become happy. But mind will become happy if you withdraw it from sense gratification. Then the mind becomes totally peaceful and satiated. So in this way, there is the development of the mind, and whole Krishna conscious process is what Prabhupada says Krishna consciousness means to pull the mind from all other, our tendency to give love so many places, give love to Krishna, and then feel the reciprocation, and we feel very blissful. So this is the second point we developed. The first point was that we need to hear about the material manifestation of the Lord, because we are materialist. ये जो भगवान का भौतिक प्रकृति का सृष्टि है, इसको भी सुनना जरूरी है. भागवत में बहुत जगह बताया कैसे भगवान का विश्व रूप का डिस्क्रिप्शन है, कैसे भगवान सृष्टि करता है. अरे मेरे को क्या सुनना है? सुनो, बिकॉज अभी आप आध्यात्मिक नहीं बने, अभी भी भौतिक हो, तो भौतिक रूप से भी आपको भगवान की महिमा समझना जरूरी है. कह रहे जैसे बड़ा पहाड़ दिखता हो, दिखता है एवरेस्ट दिखता है ना, नैनीताल से दिखता है एवरेस्ट? नहीं दिखता. बहुत बड़ा बड़ा माउंटेन दिखता है, वाइट वाइट बहुत, है ना. जब माउंटेन दिखता क्या होता है? क्योंकि अभी हम भौतिक है, दिखता है. कोई से बहुत धन दौलत दिखता है, सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन दिखता है, वी आर सो मच एक्साइटेड. बट therefore it is needed for us to see Krishna's glories in the same way. That is one point. A second point is his mind. To nurture this mind, it is very important. क्या important चीज है? Don't become. If I read this shloka, I feel I am here. I am a demon. The demonic taking shelter of insatiable lust. It will never be satisfied. Insatiable means कभी satisfied नहीं होगा. Pride and false prestige, these are their ornaments. Being the illusion, are always sworn to unclean work attached by the impermanent. So much plan. दिल के दिल में उनको भय तो लगता है, उनको पता है कोई मरा, कभी कभी अपने को पढ़ना होता है. एक कोई डिवोटी थे, उनको बहुत हार्ट अटैक हो गया, बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, तो सुनकर लगता हो वो मेरे को भी हो जाएगा एक दिन. तो भय तो है, but we don't take total shelter of Krishna. Somehow we just pass our days, and very carelessly we may drink material gratification, too much become absorbed in a personal self, and the care of the personal self we will glide